Welcome to Automation World's Technology Matters. I'm David Greenfield, Director of Content, and today we're going to look at the growing use of robots across industry and the introduction of a new do-it-yourself customizable robot. So to start off by looking at the growing use of robots, a recent study released by PMMI, which is Automation World's parent organization, indicates that 84% of consumer packaged goods companies now use robots somewhere on their production lines. And this number is expected to rise to 93% in the next 5 years. And deployment of collaborative robots, which are also known as cobots, is also expected to see strong growth, with use more than doubling from 27% this year to 57% in 2027. Now, respondents to the PMMI research say that improvements in robot functionality, such as vision, self-learning, and artificial intelligence, are spurring manufacturers to purchase and use more robots in processing and packaging applications. Now, looking across all manufacturing and processing industry sectors, recent research conducted by Automation World shows similar high growth trends for robots. In Automation World's research, 83% of respondents said they're looking to add robots in the next 2 years. And helping to drive this figure is the fact that 29% of respondents currently don't use any robots at all, and only 12% say that more than 50% of their production operations involve the use of robots. Now, of the robot types that are used in production operations, 73% of respondents said they use industrial robots, 39% use cobots, and 30% are using autonomous mobile robots. Now, when respondents were asked to rank the issues affecting their use of robots, 45% of them said in the Automation World study that labor issues were the primary factor for their use of robots, while 30% noted increased speed and throughputs that's provided by robots, and 20% cited quality improvements. Now, numerous new robotic technologies have debuted over the past 2 decades, but the new ATRO robot system from Beckhoff may be one of the first build-it-yourself robot technologies for the industrial market. Now, the ATRO is a modular industrial robot system that allows end users, integrators, or machine builders to create an optimal robot configuration for their application. And the system is comprised of standardized motor modules with integrated drive functionality, link modules of differing designs and links, and the TwinCat control platform. And with these components, users can create robotic systems ranging from 1-axis rotary indexing tables and 3-axis delta robots to 6- and 7-axis articulated robots. Now, Beckhoff says that all of the ATRO modules feature an internal media feed for data, power, and fluids such as vacuum, pressure, air, and water. This allows ATRO to use a variety of end effector tools such as mechanical, pneumatic, or electric grippers. Now, because these media feeds are internal, ATRO axes and end effector tools can endlessly rotate because there aren't any external cables to obstruct the robot's range of motion. Now, I should note here before going any further into ATRO's details that this is an early preview of the ATRO robot. This technology is not yet available for purchase, but it is expected to be available later this year. Now, the ATRO system can handle payload capacities ranging from 3 to 10 kilograms with a reach from 0.6 to 1.3 meters. And information on ATRO's speeds hasn't been released yet, but Beckhoff says that they're planning to release that information soon. Beyond its customizable design configuration, another interesting aspect of ATRO is its assembly, which is accomplished using a method similar to a slip ring to connect each module with an adjustable tool to secure the joint in place. And through this assembly process, all of the power, communication, and fluids are connected in the ATRO robot. And as each module is connected, a light that lines the joint connection illuminates. When that light's yellow, it's verifying that the EtherCAT communications between the modules is effective. A green light indicates the module is ready for operation, and a blue light indicates that the unit is ready to go into manual teach mode. Now, regarding specific applications for which ATRO will be best suited, Beckhoff says ATRO can be added to really any application, but common applications will likely be for assembly, material handling, lab automation, and packaging. So I hope you enjoyed this Technology Matters episode. Keep watching this space for regular updates on advances in and applications of industrial automation technology.